So getting ready to mount the tires. Getting ready to mount the tires, we're putting some nitrogen in the new tube for the main wheels.
This is what you used to have in your swimming pool when you were a kid. You don't have them anymore. Kids don't know what they're missing.
Okay. Coolio. So we're getting really close to mounting tires on rims. We got the tires about ready to go. We've got the rims ready to go. The wheel, I should say. The inner tube. Hardware's up over there. So hopefully we'll get this tire built up today. Maybe two. We'll see. So Jan, what are you doing?
So we're putting talcum powder on here to hopefully provide some lubricity for this wheel to go into the tire.
Okay. Hopefully that's the case.
And let's see what happens. We lift a wheel up in here.
All right.
See that?
Yeah. Okay. Let's leave this down so we can. I think that we should have to work with this down as we go. Because it's not going to get fully done until we get in there.
Right.
Oh, look at that. That was a shock. Okay.
Is that pretty much lined up? No. Where's the red dot?
When assembling aircraft tires, there's always a red dot on the tire so that you know where to locate the valve stem when you're doing the assembly.
Right there. Okay. Well, I'm kind of surprised about that.
Okay, let's wheel it over here and turn it around.
Okay. All right.
Where the weights are?
Right down there.
Okay, put your tire over here so it goes down.
All right, that works.
Okay.
All right.
And just like that, huh?
Okay. So here's this. So like that.
Yeah.
Now these are just temporary in here.
Okay.
Because they actually go on the other way. I'm not seeing it line up. Oh yeah. Pretty close.
Yeah.
Hang on. And this on this side.
Oh, and this here.
Okay. Yep.
Well, you guys stand behind that table. Let's say that table. So I think this will start.
Okay, I'm close. I might just push it towards this. Yeah.
You stand right there.
Wait, is it?
You sure had it?
Not quite square.
Oh, about right. Should be about right like that, Bob. You should be able to hit one
I'm
now.
not seeing any daylight.
See down here? Right,
Yeah.
about there.
Yeah, well, prove it. I'm not feeling it.
Those act like they're lined up with your fingers.
No, not even a little bit.
Okay, so let's kind of pull it out a little bit.
Let's push the pins in.
Push those pins in. And
Hang on, let me get mine started. You're out of the hole. All right. All right.
those in holes, right?
Yeah.
Act like they are.
They are.
And it
All right.
acts like it touched off on the inside.
Yeah. So
Nice.
and,
So get some more bolts here.
yeah,
This time.
it's pretty close. We have to come from the other side.
Make yourself useful, Carl.
Don't overtax me.
Let's come in here. There you go.
Goodness, that was too easy.
You want a nut on the back side?
We need a washer too. Please.
And what I want when you put the washer on there, I want
You want
you
the
know, see the cone. There's a cone on the inside.
Yeah.
I want that cone
Something fell out.
opposite of the nut.
okay. So you want the flat to the nut.
I want the flat to the nut.
There's another bolt. And we also have one more here. Here's that.
Okay.
One more. So you want them like that?
I want the washer to get as much friction bearing on that as possible.
Okay.
The nut on the washer, right?
Yeah.
Well, that seems like almost cheating.
Yeah, you want the chamfer against the wheel.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And the red dot's still good?
It's on your side. It's down here. I got there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, hold on here. Let's see how we can coax this up. I hope this doesn't cause a breeze. This is going to come quite a ways, I think.
I think that'll happen when we put air in
I
it.
think we'll split it all. Man. Come on. It's off a little bit here, Bob. Somehow we grab it, pull this way up. Because the way won't move
I
that.
can't do anything from inside the wheel. I'm gonna hold this up here.
Get that far. Come up on that.
There's maybe water on there already. Let's see now. You want to push in on this one right here? Okay. Okay, go over. Two. Oop, push in. Okay, thank you. Come. All right, and this one. All right. All right, this one down here. That one's coming out. Okay. This one. Down here.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can see it. But thank you. I call Braille where I come from. All right. This one. Yeah, I got him. Just now this one. All right. That one. Okay. Now, that one. What if I got one with an extra washer on it?
Washer right there, Carl. I think washer right there. You think that
Oh,
one?
we got them all.
So you got another short washer.
Sure, washer. Now I'll take that light yours. Maybe your flashlight. Yeah, please.
I think there's only one washer here.
It's right here. This one right here on top. You want to leave it. Okay. All right. Here's that one.
Almost saved it. They're all working on the asphalt.
Yeah. So let's start on the top.
All right, you guys.
All right. You leaving?
Keep faith. Yeah.
All right. Hey, appreciate it. It's good to see you guys. See you next
My cover off this time.
next time. Do that.
Actually, why don't you guys wait a minute? Come hold this tire.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait a minute. That's supposed to go in there.
I know how to hold a tire.
Yeah, we'll come around this side so you're not in the camera. So we're not watching your back. Okay, did you get it?
Okay, you got her. Go ahead. You know what I'm going to have though, because you're going to beat me pretty quick. Yep, like stop.
That's it.
Oh,
Snug.
I can't. Is that snug?
So let's go opposite.
Where are you?
I'm down on the very bottom.
Okay. Well, the hex won't find the hex. Okay, go ahead and try that. Okay, hold on.
Let me get you.
Huh?
I'll get you some vice grips or something.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right,
Okay.
let's go back to the top one. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Let's go to this one over here.
Okay.
Opposite. So this one here.
Nice to know you're not feeling squishy
Okay.
when you get to the bottom.
Oh man, no
Yeah.
kidding, right? All right,
Yep.
let's go up and do this one.
That one there.
Okay, opposite of that down here.
Okay.
Okay, now back up over here.
The buggy one. Okay, got it. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, a sec.
Okay, over here.
Somebody's got a very nice safety wire out there.
Oh, yeah. That was a couple years ago. All right, over here.
Okay.
Okay. This one up here.
That's it.
This one here. Okay. All right. This one down here.
That's it.
Yeah.
Down there? Nope.
This one here.
Down there, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Should be on now.
Okay. Now this one up here. Right here.
That one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Is that all?
Yep.
Okay, start the top. Just give us a week. We'll just work on the clock.
Okay, just go around.
Yep. Follow me
Counterclockwise for you.
Counterclockwise for me. Yep.
All right.
Get in there.
Watch
Okay, went. Boop. Yep.
Yep. Next.
Okay. Got it.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, on it. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll do a final work after all this.
Yep. Okay. Go.
Okay.
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 All right.
Okay.
Yep.
The last one. Okay.
Yep. All right.
All right, gentlemen. Thank you very much for
Your
your
job done for the
assistance.
day.
Fine job.
Yeah, they'll get you a check in the
Time for my
mail.
nap.
Time for a nap now?
They'll get you a check in the mail.
Yeah.
I'll be looking for it. It's
Okay.
All right.
always a pleasure, gentlemen.
So you can see you guys. Make sure you come back, eh?
This is exciting.
This is pretty cool.
All right.
See you later.
All right. So do we want to pop this thing up with air and see what it does?
Well, let's do the next tire and then we'll leave them like this so Dave can watch them go.
Okay. Well, that was
that
enough
at least
stinking
gets us
work.
down the road.
Oh, come on. Wow. Now we need to wash it.
Once they're all pumped up, that's when we'll wash it.
Yeah.